Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to quickly get a legitimate Windows 10 license. Now this is not an endorsement of this website, it's just where I found it for the cheapest. This is $5. So you'll just type in, go to cdkeysdeals.com. We'll change this to US dollars. Okay, and then you'll just search for Windows 10 and hit enter. So you get a couple of options. There's the Windows 10 Home version or Windows 10 Professional. So depending on which one you want, you can purchase either one. Windows 10 Home, the OEM edition, is only $4.43. The Standard Edition, which is a retail key, is $8.63. I've never had any issues purchasing the OEM version, and that should work fine for you. If it doesn't work, you can always contact their help desk, and they'll be able to issue another key to you. But yeah, go ahead and get the Pro version. Might as well get the one that has the most features. And I'd recommend you always purchase with PayPal. So you just go through the process of purchasing, and your keys will be under your account once you finish the purchase. I'll just sign in. Alright, so once you've purchased this, it'll be under my account up here, and then you go to view all CD keys. And then your license will just be listed here. So now if you wanted to activate your Windows, you just click on Start and search for Activation. Yes, and open Activation Settings. And click Change Product Key. And then you just copy and paste your key from there into here. And then you just click Next, and that should activate the product for you. And you'll have a legitimate key for less than $5. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe.